In the course of the week, they would wrap up Romeo Lavia.
Oh, okay.
No, I be Fabinho ni deputy.
The Kefra to am ne manu koni ni there.
No, kone pra.
Ntiemfa.
Ntiombo, untimi.
Na Turam there no so.
Turam they will sign him.
Also beba.
But the sad bit is that Thiago will leave Liverpool.
Thiago Beko.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's it.
Abeonko.
Yeah, Prano. Yeah. But on say grade C ni grade B for ya. Grade A ba ko kra memo.
Mo signing Z.
For Nifem. I want you to see established grade A no. Ba ko kra nim. So, Ufa will be to say Enzo Fernandez. Now Ufa Dominic Szoboszlai. Who difference no?
Difference the woman. Difference the woman.
No, it's Szoboszlai ball on them.
Yeah.
Suddenly I can't monte say. Szoboszlai before OD 17 no ball top league Austria ho. Emma elite league na American Salzburg. So waba Liverpool J Champions League in 2019.
Yeah.
The following season, 2019-2020, no, Nash boats like Botia, Liverpool, Emma Salzburg. On a Holland, Minamino, and a H1. No, Munina was at Team Nemo. Waba, supposed like Eddie 2.5 years, or Leipzig. Or Champions League, no, or GDFB Pokal, Amomo. We get into our experience. Even though, sir. And the man here grade B no.
SOMPA Sports.
He's young, very 22, but he's tasted it. Manchester City in Leipzig get born no can who.
Manchester
City and Leipzig get born. You get the point.
Yeah.
That's the difference now. The young boys no in Latin America. They don't get the opportunities easily.
We no. Say a bako strono, wabak bida.
Exactly.
And if you EPL, then I wear them in Bobida, but strong in you. So that you play on Yano, you see, no, Bona, Udim Dano,
Bossa. That's the difference. But still, we know. Also, saying about Tremano.
Yeah.
Because he's a potential.
About last will be really concerned. Say, I want to analyze the players if he jam on Bonus League and Mobile by EPN. Femino or Casa do one abre.
But Femino didn't come with the title.
Made for this.
Femino start.
Yeah.
Was so difficult.
Yeah. By Chino.
And like I can see a Ruli Dina. Kagawa.
Yeah, Shinji Kagawa.
Harvard then I am yapa. And no Nashme pa. Kita dia. He never disappointed when he wasn't injured.
Prano.
No, Bobo Nangasa. Now, Kuku harvest the energy. And no, I never yakesi because minim too well. Yeah, Bobo no, they are Janazum. Said they didn't know yet the end. But Chelsea for no moon is I train. One will strike attackers no more Premier League. One will be about chances, Gusa and Salah.
David, Salah say chances, but
one was in Liverpool for this door.
Yeah.
Salah was a Chelsea for the door, Timo Werner. But Chelsea in this are you know. A lot comes into play. Minipano, menene yarding. And Szoboszlai would have to be the other side if he wants to bug the trend. And then Thuram. Fine. Thuram is just like Szoboszlai. Obo Champions League never or Monaco.
Yes.
Also, but born in them. Yeah, Hano. I feel now be bokotoko ne has enyini ansa na ya beto akotima asem ansa na akotima eya ade kakrem ansa na sa top teams no mo bo Europe no omo hu nti wa hwe a unya daje kran bo sa teams ni bi no na we ni. That's the difference. Liverpool are investing in potential.
Yes,
that's what they are doing, but they are more patient. A patient club omo wadaji.
This is the results in Mama Club atoaso
obetwaso
hey Bishop.
Oh,
I see an angel crowd.
Me say, this club, that's how they are.
Liverpool.
Okay, Binyada German. Because Peter Crouch called Liverpool for the first 15 games, no she go. Still not to your man. Kokomu abutre. They've seen it. They all free Southampton by Southampton for striker be Thomas Suarez no call.
Ricky Lambert.
Look, they have seen it.
Liverpool so strikers.
Maybe Lambert, Borini, and Balotelli. Good. You've got to understand. But they are patient. And no more manager and the track record. No. Or ya be that. Easy. Look, Ada, Jurgen Klopp. I think this is the first time I'm saying this to you. Ada made the door no pan. Every time I walk far, Gundogan free Nuremberg about Dortmund.
Yeah.
That was the time I respected him the most. Says our active social media era, yeah. And Anka, Dortmund, a Premier League teamer. Gundogan.
But in a level, no, baby, I will do.
Gundogan, Klopp, the final year, no. So Gundogan trained for almost a year and a half.
Yes, no more.
Nechi, Bisani, so I don't know to play for us or train. Gundogan, send I for Bema air train, I for bar. You get the point. So, you need to manage it. But that's the difference I was trying to demonstrate the other time. Now I'm on Fontiasian. Say, Kaisedo, you won Europa. Who did you say? I've known about 2 seasons.
Davi.
Exactly.
But now, cross your magic teams no crackhead, na command K20 be cram and
Enzo Fernandez, so or you know Europa. I feel now about 1 season every year. That's the difference. Until Enzo Fernandez at the time, Ebesuano, Zubozela has it already. A geographical imbalance in the Ukraine. Until the Encrano qua, I'm Bressa and Sanama adopted. I think the last remnant of whatever semblance Roma has with American ownership, and they are persuasive maker with their decision to go with Adidas. Adidas is a German company and it's very instructive. Adidas Nankasan a German company. Now Italian sportswear company. I don't know new course when they say Europe has a way with sports manufacturing companies. Na mpesa me change na say Oman Europe and as a continent Europe na wo ho no aman no wo omo ye jerseys mom national symbol Oman no ye company we omo ye sports kit na ma menka ne sa who pay on say Oman we use for there
and yeah
Denmark national team no ube hu omo jersey bia na Hamel na a Danish company.
Hamel no.
Germany Adidas.
No man say for top team also sign.
Adidas. Adidasla. Italy Diadora.
Yes.
Who Diadora pe eyomoa area ansu fi ho. Nekotokoshe. It's an Italian company area. England Ambro. Ambro England. National kid manufacturer. Pe no so munie. But one Le Coq Sportif da.
Le Coq
Sportif.
David.
Le Coq Sportif. A kid manufacturing company of France.
Oh, okay.
Amino. Almost action so there back no bebre wa wo de wani fe ma obenya bebre na nso aba no abe kan da chen. Nti ha na papa bi na sha ase na friend mingle.
Yes.
No say she mingle jerseys. And they maniac can see a looker, but it's symbolic. It's very symbolic. There's a lot we can actually talk about. Jim Palota Befa Roman, American, Oma Liverpool Yomodia, no one and Roma Yomodia. And Omodi Jim Palota a frontier a bitimu. Now Omoba and Adiaba Quamoya and say, Ombi Roma and Tadi Omoshano, Eddie free. That normal American way. Into Omokofa New Balance. Every US bar say omo push no teams are na yon dia no omo na share New Balance no.
Oh, okay.
Roma no mo share New Balance. Liverpool no mo share New Balance. Na Sevilla also share New Balance. Some person mo burem because now New Balance acquire Reebok.
Ati Reebok na be New Balance. Wow.
They acquired it. So now Jim Palota be a team no na e ko say e ba say America for no say no and the Roman who say ha no mo nam. Say Palota mu ni honors America for ni odia. And if you are they will go to the most trusted source, and that's Adidas. So now they've moved from across the pond, back to Europe. It is symbolic. Roma symbolism no oba o man bediani. Abua o man banufo. Munya Roma crest na. It's a serious preeminent Roman history. You get the point? Until Roma is a symbol, it's a totem of European Renaissance. And until Roma are back on the continent, looking for a kid sponsor. Whenever you see Roma, city of Rome na Atta Poku the editor no. When you have a leisure time, read about that, and then because he's saying reloaded from BlackMeteors. No, Baba, my quality permission, but I
already had the only causes a basso. Or common in the Yamane course, Morocco, dear. All the never ban me not transfer party above.